Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Pleasant Prairie local and long-distance movers near me. Pleasant Prairie, Wisconsin is a great option to consider when looking for a new place to move to. Many have chosen to live in it and are loving it. You can be one of them, and there are plenty of Pleasant Prairie, Wisconsin movers who are available and ready to make your move happen. Most people would rather avoid relocating their belongings themselves because it might be challenging and inconvenient. We provide a range of moving services to ensure that our clients have a positive moving experience. We also go above and beyond to provide a relocation solution that fits within your budget. When you deal with us, we will assign a team of movers to your project who will work with you to guarantee that your belongings are carefully organized and delivered without incident. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pleasant Prairie moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.